flooding out here. Bloomingdale and ASA is a low-lying area there. People out on the streets moving around, though. Overall, things are looking rough. The roofs are intact, I will say that. We've got roofs on these houses. A lot of trees down. A lot of minor damage. Pretty much every business in town is closed. There's no gasoline anywhere. Anyway, we'll give you another little update here. See what else we can see going on out here. We're heading over to a couple job sites here, see if we can get to work.